welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay people, so today I'm going to make some mackerel rundown. Just please go ahead and hit that like button for me, guys. So let's get straight into this. So I have my salt mackerel. I already washed it and cleaned it. And with my salt mackerel now, people, the skin I always clean it off because I don't like it on my salt mackerel. But if you like it that way, fine, you can go ahead and do that. All right. And I wash my salt mackerel with some vinegar. So I have my scallion here. Then go ahead and just cut it up like that. So I use sweet pepper in there, garlic, tomato. I also use onions, thyme. So I'm not going to cut the thyme too big. I'm just going to do that. Then I have a piece more scallion. I'm going to cut it up as well. And I have some pimento. I like to use pimento in there. If you don't want, you don't have to use pimento. And I have pepper. Not Scotch bonnet pepper, but they're quite spicy. You can go ahead and use your Scotch bonnet pepper because that's a good pepper as well to use, but I don't have that today. So I'm just going to use what I have. So my red pepper. I'm just going to do a few cut like that. And I also use coconut milk in there. You can use the tin one if you want. You can use the coconut itself. You can use the powder, whichever one you have or whichever one you want to use. But if I'm using the powder, I normally like to mix it with some hot water. I don't use cold water. That's just my preference. That's just me. You can try it that way or you can try the way that you're used to. That's fine as well. Put it aside like that. And I have my onion. I use half of an onion. I'm just going to cut it like that. Maybe I don't want all of this, but let's see. I always cut my onion like that. I think one more that should be fine, and I can keep at that. I have the tomato here. And I cut it like that. Go to the other one, this one. And I have garlic as well. I have the minced garlic, whichever garlic, the peg one, the minced, whichever one is fine. If you have the powder alone, you still can use that. Another piece. When I'm making my rundown, I like a lot of seasoning in there. Fresh seasoning. Yes, people. Cut them like that. I don't want this too big. But if whatever way you want to cut them, that's fine. This is just me. I have this pepper. This is what I could find. So that's what I'm going to use. This is quite hot. I'm going to use all of it. I like spicy stuff. So that's fine. Put that there. And I have a few pimento, not a lot, because I don't want when I'm eating is only pimento, a lot of pimento seed. So this is a piece of pimento, so that's fine. And then I have my garlic. I have black pepper, a little of that I'm going to use. And I love to put a little Maggi seasoning in mine, all purpose, just a little, for a little extra flavor. Yeah. So that's the seasoning there, people. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my thing. So yeah, people, while the pot are dry out for put my seasoning on, so I'm showing you this. I have some dumpling, yam and pumpkin. I love pumpkin bad. In that, I done cook already. And so, okay, peeps, so I'm go ahead and put a little bit of in the pot. And remember for sure, no? Alright, that's not enough. I'm still gonna put a little more. And I'm using a little olive oil. And you can go ahead and use whatever oil you want. That's fine. So I have the season. Just going to put them in there like that. Put the onion first. Don't turn it to stove too high. Medium can work. And then a whole heap of oil for this, okay? You can saute your thing. So I'm going to put the scallion and thyme in there. Yeah. And you can use saltfish to make your rundown too if you don't like salt mackerel, or if you have saltfish and that's how you have a reach, use the saltfish. That's fine. I try it too and it tastes good. Put my pimento them in there like that. And use them too. Yep. And the pepper as well. See the people. I just love the vibes of the fresh season. I really like it. You can't forget your garlic. You add in the garlic and salt. Garlic good for the people. Put that amount in there. Make it going with itself. Right, we can turn up the stove a little bit. Let that go and fry up. Alright, see there that come out. So when we do the salt mackerel, people, we boil it off. Then we scrape off the skin off it because me not like that. That's just me. You can go ahead and do it the way you want it. Then wash it off. Then we put it in some water for 10 minutes to go and soak off some of the salt because me don't want a whole heap of salt. And then afterwards, throw off that water, then wash it off again 2 more times. So me do mine. Yeah. Alright, that look good. So I have the coconut milk. I'm going to go in and pour everything in there. You can always add some water. Because I'm going to add some water to this. I'm going to left that for boil up. For boil about 10 minutes. Yeah. I can take some more water, so I'm going to put some water in it. Do like that. See there? I'm going to cover that and make that go on with itself. Guess what? That still can take a little bit more water. So, alright. We're good there now. And when me do, me drop a piece of butter in there. Not a lot. So I'm going with the all-purpose season. Little bit. Not too much. And me mix that round. Let that boil out with that. See the people, that smell good. Lovely. I have the butter. Put a piece of this in there. Not too much, just that. Get a little extra flavor in that. So around that. Yo. This smells lovely. Beautiful. Cover that. Let that go on well. Like that. Okay, so we're gonna check on it and see it go on also. Yeah. Nice. So people, when most people eat with this, like dumpling and banana or yam, people pumpkin, potato, anything that you like. What I like to eat with this is dumpling, yam, and pumpkin because I love pumpkin. But whatever you choose to eat with this, that's fine. Everybody like different stuff. That's fine, no problem. See there? So we're gonna leave this go on to become a little thicker than that, and then we had meat in there. So yeah, this look nice. Smell good to people. Always clean around the edges. That's just me. Like that. Cover about that. So I'm gonna check on this back. Alright, that nice and easy like Sunday morning. See it there? Some people put a pinch of salt in it. But I'm not gonna use any salt because mackerel already have salt, and I did put some all-purpose seasoning there, so I've added the salt. So I'm not gonna use any salt. So now I'm gonna add my mackerel in there. Let that go on also. Alright. The rest in there. Me like it when it have a whole heap of meat in it. That's just me. Yep. So I like that. Wash this off on my hand. Alright. Look on that. So some of you love my mackerel people, see? No skin no dip on it. That's just me. You can do whatever you want to. You can leave it on if you want. And I'm gonna put some black pepper. Not a lot of that. That's fine. Let's mix that together. Like that. Yeah. See the people. I'm gonna boil them for a little. Alright, so I'll go on. See there. And I want the sauce to dry out, so guess what? It's like a turn off. See it there? You can stay there for another 3 minutes and yeah. We're done also. See it there, my peeps? Mackerel rundown. So that's the finishing touch, guys. Mackerel rundown. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.